A broken man who learned to ride it out, who learned that broke don't mean you're done. It means the breaking's already been about, and what's left standing is the harder one. Born into the broke before the breaking came, carrying the crack like a middle name. This road don't fix what the bloodline bent, but it holds the broke man till the ride is spent. Broke before the breaking, that's what this blood is made of. Broke before the breaking, every bend, every aching. We came from the crack, we came from the making of something from the pieces. Broke before the breaking. My father was broken a particular way that showed up in the hinges of every day, in the way a door opened too fast, in the way a good thing never seemed to last. Past the point where it would have to hold, under the weight of something real and cold. He wasn't mean, he was just already spent before the hard part of the living went. Born into the broke before the breaking came, carrying the crack like a middle name. This road don't fix what the bloodline bent, but it holds the broke man till the ride is spent. Broke before the breaking, that's what this blood is made of. Broke before the breaking, every bend, every aching. We came from the crack, we came from the making of something from the pieces. Broke before the breaking. There's a kind of strength that only broke men know, the kind that comes from having nowhere lower to go. Not courage exactly, more like the particular calm of a man who lost the fear when he lost everything else first. Broke before the breaking, that's what this blood is made of. Broke before the breaking, every bend, every aching. We came from the crack, we came from the making of something from the pieces. Broke before the breaking. Broke before the breaking, that's all we ever were. Broke before the breaking, and the road that held the pieces. My grandfather died on this land. My father bled for it. God help whoever tries to take it from me. There's a shotgun hanging by the doorway, older than the house itself. Granddaddy carried it through hard winters when nobody else could help. These pine trees know our family secrets, every lie and every sin. Every cross beside the gravel road marks where one of us has been. The river still runs muddy red after 50 years of rain, and every graves man born out here inherited a little pain. Dust in our lungs, fire in our veins. Some families inherit money, we inherit chains. Blood runs through the pines like thunder through the sky. Every generation carries ghosts that never truly die. We were born from dirt and sorrow, raised by sacrifice, bound by blood and broken promises for all our lives. Daddy worked himself half to death, keeping food inside the home. Hands so rough they look like leather, back bent harder every year. Mama prayed every single Sunday for the men we used to be, but some wounds run too damn deep for church to set them free. Every field holds memories of sweat beneath the sun, and every fence line tells a story of a battle someone won. Sometimes I wonder if freedom's just another name for carrying old burdens and pretending they don't weigh. Still flowing through my soul. Every scar and every lesson still follows where I go. And when they lay me in this ground beside my family line, the roots will know my name forever, 'cause blood runs through the pines. Even when people forget. 40 miles from civilization and 1,000 miles from sane. Neon signs above old truck stops, blinking half alive at best. Like forgotten dreams still fighting not to finally come to rest. Every rider carried baggage, nobody could put it down. Ghosts ride easier than memories when you're leaving another town. Roman said we're getting older, Cain just lit another smoke, both pretending not to notice how quickly life can go. We're the ghost riders of the interstate, rolling through the storm, chasing freedom through the darkness, trying to stay warm. Every mile another memory, every night another fight. Ghost riders of the interstate, still alive tonight. The waitress at the truck stop diner knew our names before we spoke. Seen enough old bikers passing to recognize the smoke. She said, boys, be careful out there, like mothers always do. We smiled and paid the coffee bill, knowing caution never grew. Outside the rain kept falling like judgment from above, but riders don't fear weather nearly as much as love. The highway doesn't promise tomorrow, only movement. Sometimes that's enough. Still roaring through the rain, every brother riding with me makes the burden lighter to sustain. And when the final mile arrives beyond the county lights, ghost riders of the interstate will disappear into the night. Legends don't retire, they fade into the horizon. Yeah. lived on the cold side of the mountain, where the sun came late and left too soon, where the frost stayed past the spring accounting, and the garden grew under a leaning moon. My grandmother said it builds a bone harder, said the cold side men outlast the warm, said comfort is just weakness wearing armor, said we were built specifically for a storm. Born where the mountain blocks the afternoon, born where the cold comes early and stays immune to any warmth the county tries to bring. Cold side men don't trust the heat of spring. Cold side of the mountain, that's where this family's from. Cold side of the mountain, every frost, every numb. We came from the shadow, we came from the dumb. Cold that teaches hard things. Cold side of the mountain. I left the cold side of 17, road toward the sunlight, it would cure the thing. The cold had built into my particular spine, the way I stood in every warm sunshine. Like I was waiting for the temperature to drop, like I was braced for cold that wouldn't stop. You can leave the cold side of the mountain, but the cold side doesn't leave the man. Born where the mountain blocks the afternoon, born where the cold comes early and stays immune to any warmth the county tries to bring. Cold side